I was born and raised in Mexico City, and when I was young, I didn't want to be an engineer because I didn't know what engineers did. At first, I wanted to be a lawyer. I liked the idea of being a defender of the public, and I've always been a talker, and I thought that that profession would utilize those skills. But as I grew up and I learned more and more about the problems that affected Mexico City and other cities across the globe, the water crisis, the damages of air pollution, and the vulnerabilities of lifeline infrastructure, I became more passionate about being involved there. My family and I moved to San Diego when I started middle school, and after high school I worked for a few years trying to figure out where I could have an impact, and I eventually decided to consider engineering. I moved to Oregon in 2015 and studied civil engineering in Portland State University. And then in 2020, I joined Mott MacDonald, working primarily on ports and rails projects that facilitate the movement of goods and people across Portland and the world. When I learned that the Pacific Northwest was extremely vulnerable for an inevitable future earthquake, I realized I couldn't be quiet until our communities were prepared for disaster. Now I stick my nose in all the places where I think small shifts could be done that could have an effect to prepare our communities. That has led me to be very involved with my legislature here in Oregon and in the United States. I also am really passionate about introducing young, diverse people to civil engineering. I want to show that civil engineering can be a really powerful tool to uplift communities. For Mott MacDonald in North America, I help lead the Advancing Race and Culture Group. For the Salvation Army, I have run STEAM camps. I've helped high schoolers build popsicle stick bridges at Engineer Week events. And I've helped run workshops for Adelante Chicas, which is a camp run by an organization that advances the lives of Latinas in Oregon. I want more young Latina women, like myself, to consider the world of civil engineering. My name is Tijerina Esquino, and I am so proud to be ASCE's new face of civil engineering for 2022.